Oh, that's a fish. That's a big fish. I don't know if I snagged him or not, but boy, that's a big fish. Oh, don't come on. I thought I was hung up really on a rock. What do I got? That's a big fish, guys. Oh, God. This might be a big old cat. What's up, everyone? Good morning. It's May 2nd. It's actually kind of cold this morning, but it's May 2nd. It's supposed to be a sunny day. I'm going down east this evening to fish at Goose Creek, but this morning I'm going after big bass. I've got my swim bait rod. I've got my rod runner, so I can carry these 3 rods. I've got a good walk to get where I'm going to get. We're going after big bass. Stay tuned. I'll be right back, hopefully with some big old lunkers. Woo! All right, guys, we're getting ready to get started. Throw my swim bait outfit, which is a Shimano 50. I've got a video on that, and a Huddleston rainbow trout swim bait. I tell you, I love this spot right here. I don't fish it probably 2-3 times a year when the conditions are right, but every time I see this spot and walk up on it, it's like seeing an old friend again. I probably fished this spot for 35 years. Caught some big monster bass here. But anyway, let's get busy doing this Huddleston. Like I said, that don't work. We're gonna throw the Rapala, and if that, the Rebel, and if that doesn't work, probably throw a spinnerbait or a rattle trap. But let's get busy. Hey guys, I'm gonna start off with this first. This Huddleston swim bait. If this doesn't work, I'm gonna go to my big Rebel long minnow. It's on 25-pound line on my swim bait rod. This, I told you, my favorite plug in another video. Favorite plug for stripers. Might be my favorite lure. I catch a lot on flukes a lot. But this sucker right here will also catch big bass. This big old Rebel right there. That's a good color in eastern North Carolina. It's a gold black back. Might look like a golden shiner. Ooh, that fish got something right there. A bunch of shad right there. They weren't big. This may be too big if I want to match the hatch. Ooh, yeah, they're chasing them right there. Let's try one more and see. Alright, we're gonna try the Rebel. It's been some fast hitting. Hey guys, I'm throwing these big baits because there's so many thousands and thousands of little 2.5 inch shad that I want to throw a big bait to get a big bass's attention because they're seeing all them shad. It works a lot of times here, but today it's not, so I'm gonna have to go back to matching a hatch. I'm casting that Huddleston. This big Rebel plug feels like I'm casting a little bitty beetle spin. Come on, fish. Oh God. About to fail that rock, ain't stable. Okay guys, day in, day out, year in, year out, I've had my best luck here with the Cordell Spot or rattle trap. This is a Cordell Spot or a rattling rapala. Rattling rapala cast foils. They're a little more aerodynamic, but they're more expensive. I normally use a Cordell Spot most of the time now. Something about the sound in it. I think it's a little better sound. And this is going more match the size of the bait that they're feeding on down here. Woo. See what happens. Cast good on this Calcutta. I've had this Calcutta, I've been since '95. So I've had it probably 25 years. Look guys, I snagged one. That's the size of the shad down there. I'm matching the hatch. Look at that. That is matching the hatch almost perfect. Guys, that is literally matching the hatch almost perfect. Look at that. Look how close that is, matching the hatch. I should have started off with that. This is to catch more fish in this here, but there he is. There he is. Fish on, guys. Fish on. Fish on. Not a monster. Fish on. He's close to 2 pounds. Not a bad little fish. You get enough shad down there, buddy? Let's get him back. Go eat some more fish. He gone. Fish on. Fish on. Oh. Oh. Nice white bass. Nice white bass. Nice white bass. That might be my best white bass of the year. Get him over there. He's close. I don't know if he's the best one. But yeah, that's a nice white bass right there, guys. Okay, guys, I've lost one big bass. Caught one 2-pound bass. Just caught this nice white bass. This is a good 14-inch white bass. We're gonna get him back in the water. All kinds of bait down there. That's the problem today. There's so much bait. My lures are having to compete with the shad. I'll show you the shad are the same size as my Cordell Spot. Well, let's get him back in the water. Make sure he's all right. Yeah, he's good. He's off. Woo, let's hope we get one big one today at least. It's warming up a little bit, so I'm supposed to be 75 today. Like I said, I'm going down east, way down east, because every river's flooded. This is a pond, a little lake. But I'm going way down east, and hopefully we get one at least 5-pound bass today, so let's get busy. Oh, that was a good hit. That was a good, I don't know how they get off them hooks. Oh, I saw him get it. I saw him come up and grab it. I did. I saw that fish come up and grab it. I saw him swim up behind it. Oh, nice bass. Nice bass. Nice bass. Well, he not huge, but he's nice. I saw him come up and grab it. He's hooked good. I get him in this current. Nice bass. He's long. Ooh. Let's get him back in the water. Get some more. He's good. That was a hit. That was a hit. That was a hit. Ooh, nice white bass. Nice white bass. Nice white bass. Come to daddy. Nice white bass, fat white bass. Fat right there, look how fat he is. Guys, there's the third white bass. That's a nice white bass right there. Look how fat he is. Fat sucker. Anyway, let's get him back in the water. Still all kinds of minnows down there. I don't know if you can see them. I had an underwater shot of them. I'll show you an underwater shot on them. Nice white bass. I've caught like 2 or 3 nice bass. I've caught 3 nice white bass. We'll get him back in the water and catch another one. Ooh, one just hit behind me. He gone. Woo! Let's see. There he is. There he is. Right there. Another white bass, it looks like. Yep. Another white bass. Got some white bass in here today. All right, easy. Another nice white bass. He might be the smallest one, but that's some good quality white bass right there. Cordell Spot. Don't think you can beat it right there. And tell you it was matching the hatch. Perfect. Nice white bass. Let's get him back in the water. Nice fish. They fight good. Tell you, they're good fighters. All right, see you. Let's get another one. Usually there's more bass in here than white bass. Ah, there's another one. Oh, good. Yeah, that's a white bass. Nice one. Oh, nice one. Oh, don't get on that. He's caught in the mouth, but it's snagged around his gill plate. Oh, there it come off. Nice white bass. Nice white bass right there, guys. Beautiful white bass. That's my biggest one of the year right there. Nice. Guys, that's my nicest white bass of the year right there. I think. Nice white bass hitting the Cordell Spot. I'm gonna get an Instagram picture of him, get him back in the water. But nice white bass. Look at that fish. I need to get a length on him. Let's see if I can get a length on him. I just put him back because been out of the water a little bit, but he's good. Let's get back, let's catch another one. That was a big white bass right there. I'll post a length and a caption how long he was. I measured him against my rod, so let's get back. Fish on. Nice white bass. Nice white bass. Ooh. On a blade bait. I changed up, went to the blade bait. Here we go, guys, a little blade bait. It's a sonar. It's a good jigging bait down below the boat, or you can cast it like a rattle trap. But right there, little blade bait. See that better. Get him back in the water. See if we can catch another one. I'm actually catching more white bass today than bass. And this little bitty blade bait casts like a bullet. Cause it ain't nothing but metal. This might be the one we're looking for, guys. Oh yes, that's the one we're looking for. Oh God, don't come off. Don't come off, that's the one we're looking for. Oh God, don't come off. Oh God, guys, that's the one we're looking for. Oh God, don't come off. Oh, don't come off, don't get on them rocks. Oh God, that's the one we're looking for. Oh God, he choked it too, he choked it. Don't come off, he's oh God. Woo! Oh, he's bleeding too. He choked it. I gotta do some quick surgery on him. Guys, he choked it. Oh, that's a monster right there, guys. Let me do it. I gotta cut this off. 6 1/4. It went up to 6.23. 6. He's right at 6 1/4 pounds. He choked it. All right, guys, I don't know how good you can see this. It was hard holding him up. That's a 6 1/4 pound bass. Woo! Biggest one of the year. I had it, she choked it, got a little bit deep in the gill, but it's only one little spot. She's quit bleeding. I'm gonna get her back in the water, but woo, Cordell Spot did it. Early spring bass. That's a hog. She looks bigger than 6 1/4, but that's what she is. Woo! Let's get her back in the water. You still see bait down there. Oh, we'll do it. All right, she swim off fine, guys. She's good. She kind of slow down there, then I saw her take off. Woo! Might as well quit and go home on that one. Man. Woo. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. Hope you enjoyed that. A lot of white bass. Some nice 2-pound bass and that big hog. Like I said, hit the subscribe button. I'll see everybody next time. Woo!